get something to munch because I don't know where the fuck I'm at. We're here early, so there's a whole bunch of groups right there. B&W right there. There's a Type R back there. There's a whole bunch of Suvis. I mean, Supras. Ooh, look, Type R.
At the end of the day, I'm still getting money, regardless, I'm still getting paid. She won't lose, she Louis and the fan. Fuck around and leave your pockets in. Swear I ain't a killer, but don't tempt me. Missy. Say I don't call back when I'm free. Get my shit all packed and I'll leave. I need some caffeine, cause I can't love, but I'll fall back when I'm asleep. I need a new whip with no keys. Say I'm a bad dog with no leash. I need a few bricks and a bad bitch so I can fall back to the streets. Don't know what to do.
Alright, I think I'm gonna stop recording just so I can just take pictures of the rest of the cars. Alright, I'm on my way home. Car meet just ended. So finna go slide, meet up with one of the homies. Right now it's kinda snowing, so that's a good time. Yeah, that's just kinda stuck. Alright, we here. Fuck, you know, we've been spinning a little bit already. But I had to, this shit don't work. I got the homie, David. What the fuck? Who's that? What the fuck is that? Oh, hell no. Hell nah. Who's that? Hey, he joined us though. I know, yeah.
Not going to Romeo's like hell no.
I know. Oh, hell no. Is your shit good?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
What the fuck?
Wow.
I'm not getting outside the car right now because my shit had a charge. I was drifting and then out of nowhere, bro, my fucking teacher. Oh hell. I'm glad she don't know what my car looked like. Fucking lit picking up snow and shit. Oh yeah, I got that shit. It only snows when it's the fucking weekends, bro.
Oh God, huh?
And then when it's fucking time for school, that's just fucking all sunny.
You would have had a school day off today.
I know, that's what I was thinking. I was like, if there was school today, then we would have been doing this too. But only on the fucking weekends. That shit looks good in the snow, bro.
Oh God. That's what it's meant to be in then.
Nah, I'm
It's meant to
good.
be in the snow.
Hey, yeah. Shit picking up fucking snow from the lip.
You want to go?
Where?
Take a run?
Hey, all these pancake ass niggas, weird ass niggas, man. What all these niggas talking about? Hey, I keep a rocket in my pocket, socket, call the pocket rocket. If it's sport, we ain't playing games, bitch, we getting started. I'm the man, clip it, keep 100, nigga, I'm a gunner. When it's beef, we ain't playing games, we hit you and your mama. That chopper, that's that oppa stopper, hit you and your pop. I fell in love with all this fucking money, you in love with drama. Say, baby, I'm not Sosa, baby, but I keep a long. Got no pull up and a new I8, you riding in a Honda. All these tattoos on my fucking body, she say I'm a hottie. Why your girlfriend always wanna fuck me, wanna touch my body? We got all type of fucking guys, might even have a time. I remember them days in the just to free my nigga Ryan and free Chris though. Remember we was bouncing out with Fofo. A nigga keep it solid in LA, I keep a clip though. Cause no, I can't be lacking in these streets, I keep a big pole. And I can't have no nigga with me if they gon' snitch on. That chopper, that's that oppa stopper, hit you in your pop. I fell in love with all this fucking money, you in love with drama. Say, baby, I'm not Sosa, baby, but I keep a long. Got no pull up and a new I8, you riding in a Honda.
I'm savage, 21. Toss your baby mama in the L like she a salad. Okay. Ratchet bitch, suck me while I'm driving, she from Dallas. Straight up. The mama got some buns on her, I call her Patty. 21. My mother bitch be smoking all the wood, she from Cali. 21. In my Tesla roaster, 21. My pistol out the holster. Okay. I'm double cupping syrup, bitch, I don't need no coaster. Fast. Ops want promotion, pussy, put him on the poster. Pussy. I gunned him down in his own hood.
I bet. My turn. Traction comes off and on. Let me drift around you. Like, it's gonna be wide, it's not gonna be close. I'm gonna be going slow either way. I'm gonna go slow. So if anything, you can just walk. Yeah. Everyone pulling up. Alright, let me do that shit again. Yeah?
That shit popped out.
I didn't hear that shit. In here, I can't hear shit, bro.
Bro, that shit.
You're like picking up all the snow. You are, bro. I like when you were drifting, all you hear is like,
I know.
it's not even snow. It's just road. I think it's too slushy. I think that's cool though. On the way home, fucking still snowing, bro. It's fucking crazy. Nothing better to do than drive a fucking Subaru.
Really good first date with you and all, but
I felt that too.
I just checked Twitter and your birthday is in August, like you're a Leo.
No, she's born.
As a Pisces, right?
What's your zodiac sign? Do you think I'm fine? Am I wasting your time? Wait, because you looking divine, do you want to be mine? No, I see it as fine, okay. She got me slipping and sliding, she hoe rushing right and she closing her eyes and she feels just so you know I'm a Leo, I'm worth like two people, that makes us a trio ideal, alright?
What are you doing, Monty?
I'm breaking bread like a Pisces, catch me in motion, that's highly unlikely. And I can't have no outburst, she thinks of me highly. Split personality, just like she might. But it ain't my life been a movie, just like I'm Leo. No, it ain't prom night, I'm dancing like Rio. Hit it, she claiming she low when I dance around her, but her feelings dance around me. Two-faced little baby, you're the fourth OG. And yes, I'm a Leo, don't talk about me. Yeah, I'll slide you my birthday. Anyway, do you still wanna go out with me? Salmon and trout on the plate, surfing down with me. I make her whole, but she only took half of me. Slacking, I'm never lacking. I'm on the quest and I'm not talking dragon. No, I'm not toothless. Got in the car and she gave me her tulips. Asked what she smelled like, I'm telling her tulips. But I'm still a zodiac killer. I take her soul with the bag and the zipper. I'm a Leo who eat Pisces for dinner. What's your zodiac sign? Do you think I'm fine? Am I wasting your time?